How do I replace the drive belt on a Craftsman 42 inches long tractor? I see a pulley for it at the engine but do not see where it goes after that.
Hi, my name is John and welcome to Just Answer. What is the model number of your Craftsman? It should be under the seat.
#///P. Model number 247.288843 taken from Operator's Manual.
Here is a diagram. This tractor is made by MTD, it looks like, even though it's being sold under Craftsman name. It will have two drive belts, one in the back and the one up front. https://www.partstree.com/parts/?LC equals MTD and MN equals 13 BJ78 SS099 plus 247.288843 plus LT 2000 plus 2013 and DN equals 7690642 D0001. It looks like the front belt could run back to the rear. Check the rear to see if the pulley is a double pulley, as in it has two slots on it for belts. This isn't your exact tractor, but the belt setup is the same. This video will show you how to replace the belt. It goes around the fan with the pulley on the rear end. Here is the video how to replace most Craftsman tractor hydrostatic. http://u2.b/0sjibhipebu.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.